Hi friends, here is a super elementary problem in CAT. We are given x and y are some real numbers and x lies between 2 and 3, y lies between minus 7 and minus 1. Which of the following will have the least value? It's pretty straightforward problem. X square y. X is positive, so x square will be positive, y is negative, so x square y will be negative. X y square. Y square will be positive, x is also positive. So x y square will be positive. 5xy. Right. X is positive, y is negative, so 5xy will be negative. Of this, x square y. So clearly B is not the answer. X square y. How bad it can get, how low it can go? It can go when this negative x can go till 3 only, right? It is less than 3 square into y. Y can be 7. So 9 into 7. 9 into minus 7. 3 square into minus 7. Minus 9 into 7. Right? It can go as low as this. It can't go lower than this. Right? But 5xy. 5xy. 5 into 3, 15. Into y can still go till minus 7. Right? This can go to minus 15 times 7. Clearly, this is smaller than this. Right? Minus 9 into 7 versus minus 15 into 7. Minus 15 is clearly smaller. So, the lowest one it can go is 5xy can become lower than x squared y. So, 5xy is the answer. Right? Yes. Very, very straightforward problem. We can expect sometimes this kind of problems.